U Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi u Rakkam is sangma haka khan riu trik nailur. Ula ong baka kenhuan ka thmu ban pynlong ya ka jingalap hang bam dok Masi, bat ban penbana ya ka Masi kum ka Kmie jongkari, kidei ki biej, bat iki badei ban khein kum ki kenhuan lehnoh. Nga tharai kim long ki babit ban long ki nong India, kini ki briek bale ya kini ki kambiria ne tamasa kidei ki biej, ki bam dan jing tep shaphang ka jing sanchar jongkari India, ka jing ya pher ha kolshor bat halor ka hok kat kum ka riti sanchar khadar ka balait lut ya ka jingit niam ong umintri haba kran shakila pathai kubor haba jubab ya ka jingkeli halor ka jing thmu ban penlong ya ka yatra yalap hang bam dok Masi ha ka artarik menta upnai hashlong ya ka ni ka yatra la persha jordajan baro ki nong shong shnong ha Meghalaya kila don ru kat tu kat ni ki baberthen ban penlong dak tamasa bam dok Masi dada ka sarkar jelakan a jingbet ya ka ni ka kenhun seng Hindu ka Jyotish Pithadhishwar Shankaracharya Avimuktishwarananda bakan penlong ya ka ni ka yatra haba penpau bahadu kat nu ubang ya ka dok Masi urakam uloong kidei ki ei ki banwan batai ya ka ei ka badei ban bam bat ka ei ka bamdei na ka banta jonga anam dan manu ha ka perthei ki ban la ban pensange na ka babam ya kinu ki jingbam ki bangas ngotanan ula ong ru baka jingbam ya ka dok Masi kam de satya bandan ya ka nu ka jing penyaso bat ka nu ka niam haba pen kan mau ya ka jing batai jong ulit pi sangma ha po parliament hakis nam khat khandai spa propnyo uni umentri ula ong unong yalam bakrao jongi nakathan shate lamingi ulit pi sangma MP barim katura ulaya da ya ka hok ban bam kat bamon ha India da ka banjur ru ya ka jundan kam ban buram ya ki rukam im bapher hapring ki nong shong shnong jongkari na kalyang ka sarkar jalaru kalangat ha ka jing sha pen buar hi kinhun bapher bakam de satya ban ajing bet ya ka ni ka kinhun seng Hindu bakan penlong ya ka ni ka yatra ka bathmu ban yalap bat ban khanglat halor ka jing penyap ya ki Masi bat ban buru ya ka Masi ha ka kerdan kum ka Kmie
I think these people are illiterate people. They knows nothing about the constitutions. They know they these people don't know about the country, about the sovereignty, about the diversity of culture, the religion, right to profess and practice of any religion by choice. I think these people should be considered as extremists. They are not worthy to be a Hindu people. I don't know who said. So I think during the ancient times, the world eat all this. I think who are they to advise not to eat anything and to eat something, right? So for me, nobody on earth who will stop me eating any kind of food that I choose, that I like it. Oh, so when it come to the beef is one of the favorite dish to me personally, and I've said this is I encourage everybody, and eating of beef should not be linked to any religion. I've said many times. In 1987, if I'm not wrong, there was a debate in Parliament brought by some MP. So our tall leader to notice the that PA Sangma during that time has depended, right? What is it? Look, killing a beef may hurt the sentiment of some religion or some community. But not killing the beef again, not killing the cow also, hurt the sentiments, the tribals, our tribals population or cyber community, the belief and the practice. Because the eating of beef is a part and parcel of our tribal culture, of our festival, right? So all things. So I think these people should read constitutions well. I think I would advise this should people be trained well how to read what is said in the constitution. I think they are not fit to be Indians. Those guys who are doing all this drama, all this tamasa, they are not fit to be Indians. These people should be kept somewhere in the jungle or sent to some they should have separate country to keep them. Who are they to stop somebody from eating beef or anything else? And they come in the Christmas time. We are not. I don't want to forget about beef festival. We are always eating beef, almost every day at home. So I think forget about festival, but eating a beef in any festival or any community, it's a part of our culture, and it's a food culture, right? So whoever likes to eat, they must eat it. And I would so I have I've seen many of my Hindu friends eat beef nicely, and those people are working laborer working in my at my home right now. I can name them also. They are Hindu. They eat beef, and also there are many Muslim also. They also eat pork, right? And also many Christians who never go to the church. So I think all these activities should not link to any religion, be it a Christian, be it a Hindu, be it Muslim, right? So I think so there are many Hindu who never go to the temple. There are many Muslims who never go to the mosque. There are many Christians who don't go to the church. What's it become a Christian if of that practice? So I think if you are Hindu, be a serious Hindu. If you're Muslim, be a serious. Be a Christian, be a pure Christian, right? I think we should preach what we practice, and we should not preach what it will hurt the sentiments of other community, other people. So I think we are Indian democratic setup, and a very wonderful design and a created nation. So this kind of discipline, this kind of let's go division among the citizens of this great city shouldn't happen. I would advise India should India is moving toward a global nation, a leading nation. So India should be kept on a very high status. Talking about eating, not eating something, it's something not acceptable to me personally and to many. So I think these people should be termed as extremists or terrorists, what I feel. And they are not fit to be Indians. Eat beef during Christmas or not in the Christmas, right? But all things just to make this communal issue, that should not. But eating a beef is always a part of our culture, part of our festival. Not now, not for this reason, right? Be it Christmas, be it any time. This is a part of our culture. We eat. I think they should understand, right? They should understand the culture and what you call the situation, right?
No, whether government will ban their meeting.
When they have the meeting,
October 2nd,
where
in Shillong.
I think they should understand why they want to have an unnecessary all these issues, because most of the people are here Christians. Most of the people are used to eat beef. Making all this drama, making all this issue is unnecessary, and this may lead to people will hurt the sentiment of our people. So I would request them not to have this kind of tamasa, not to have all this kind of drama. I would advise them not to have this kind of program, because otherwise, understand the situation, understand the what you call beauty of this great nation, and understand the environment of the people, right? So I'm advise them, right? Why they want to create this kind of disharmony, whether it will have somebody's sentiment, right? So let them have the place where in a other state of the country where they can have this program wonderfully. Hindu people respect other religion. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is Hindu, right? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is a Hindu man. He have saved the constitutions well, which will be acceptable to every community, every religion, every individual. Do this constitution dropped by somebody? No. This has been dropped by a man like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, all this great leader of the nation, knowing of this beauty and the integrity of this great nation, so which is acceptable to all. So I think they are not Hindu. I don't think so. They are not Hindu.
Maybe politically inclined Hindu organization.
I don't think so. They are not fit to be Hindu because Hindu religion people they are mature people. They know how to respect other religion. They Hindu religion. The true Hindu never hurt the sentiment of or religion of the people. I don't think they are not Hindu. I don't think so. They are Hindu. They are not. They are not Hindu. They are some kind of group. They are some. These people should be termed as extremists. I think so. They are not Hindu. I think so.